Hi everyone and welcome to Module 4. In Module 4 we're going to be focusing on Chapter 22, which is looking at the firm and output decisions. You'll notice this will be a very important section because the firm will make decisions on what is the best way to produce. You'll notice that firms will be focused on the role of productivity. Productivity is looking at how much a worker produces per hour, and we measure that based on their output. For this week, we're going to be looking at the perspective of the short and the long run and the different types of cost structure as well. Now, the short run is a time period where there's at least a presence of one fixed cost, where, where the long run, all costs are variable. It's very important to take into account of both of these costs when making decisions for a firm. For this week, you'll be reading Chapter 22, and you'll have discussion board topic. With your discussion board, make sure to have your first post by Thursday night and 2 peer responses by Sunday night. Also make sure to focus on having an APA formatted in-text citation and reference as well to support your work. For this week, you're going to be looking at economies and diseconomies of scale. Economies of scale is when a firm gets larger and larger and their per unit costs decline, whereas diseconomies of scale looks at costs that increase over time. Why will a firm experience diseconomies of scale? That's going to be looking at productivity and specialization. And why will they encounter economies of scale? Those are some of the topics we're going to be looking at this week as I look forward to your effort.